Unleash the full potential of your creative and project management workflows with Nano Banana Pro A Circumflex Euros, the ultimate upgrade for serious professionals. Today, we're diving deep into Nano Banana Pro's advanced functionalities, designed to elevate your professional output to new heights. Forget limitations. It's time for seamless integration and unparalleled control. First, let's explore its robust project management capabilities. Nano Banana Pro provides an intuitive central hub for all your projects. You can break down large tasks into manageable subtasks, visualize timelines with dynamic Gantt charts, and assign responsibilities with crystal clear clarity. Real-time progress tracking keeps everyone in the loop, ensuring deadlines are met without the usual friction. Beyond management, Nano Banana Pro revolutionizes your creative process. Imagine a digital canvas where your ideas can flourish without constraint. Its advanced features allow for intricate detail work, sophisticated asset management, and powerful collaborative editing. Multiple users can work simultaneously on a single project, with every change instantly reflected, fostering a truly dynamic and efficient creative environment. The true power lies in how seamlessly these two worlds converge. Nano Banana Pro connects your project timelines directly to your creative assets as tasks progress. Your creative elements are automatically updated and organized, leading to a streamlined workflow from concept to completion. This integration minimizes errors, saves valuable time, and ultimately allows you to focus on what you do best. A Circumflex Euros, creating and delivering exceptional results. Whether you're managing complex client projects or pushing the boundaries of your creative vision, Nano Banana Pro is your indispensable partner. Unlock your professional potential and transform the way you work. Discover Nano Banana Pro today.